Time and normal wear and tear ages everything, including your car's leather, vinyl, and plastic surfaces. 3D has the product to stop time in its tracks. It will protect these surfaces from future wear and tear. 3D LVP Conditioner. LVP stands for leather, vinyl, and plastic. LVP Conditioner is a safe, multi-purpose conditioner protectant that uses 100% organic ingredients to protect interior and exterior surfaces from cracking, fading, and discoloring. Application is easy. Simply apply LVP Conditioner to a clean foam applicator and then massage this rich lotion-like product into the surface. Rewipe with the clean, dry microfiber towel to remove any excess. LVP Conditioner creates a rich, natural appearance with a matte sheen. The results are a non-greasy finish with a fresh leather scent, completely safe for coated leather. 3D LVP Conditioner brings back that new car experience you fell in love with when you first bought your car.